Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen snacks you'll love. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with tingling hands and weak legs for life. Maintaining your mobility and nerve health as you age is not about expensive interventions or complex medical procedures. It is often about the simple, fundamental building blocks you provide your body through the food you eat. If your hands keep going numb, your legs feel wobbly, or your joints just don't move the way they used to, chances are your body is running low on something vital. Most people hear the word collagen and immediately think of beauty products or skin creams. But once you are past the age of 60, collagen matters for much more than just aesthetics. It is the literal glue that keeps your joints steady, helps your nerves fire the right way, and allows you to move without nagging pain holding you back. By focusing on nutrient-dense, collagen-rich snacks, you can ease the tingling in your hands, bring back strength to your legs, and reclaim the energy of your younger years. These options are easy to prepare, delicious, and backed by the understanding of how nutrition supports your joints, nerves, and overall vitality as you grow older. The first step toward a more mobile life might actually be something that sounds too good to be true: real, rich, dark chocolate. This isn't about the sugary candy bars found in the checkout aisle, but rather high-quality dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao. This specific type of chocolate is loaded with powerful plant compounds that help the body heal from the inside out. Research into the way food repairs the body has shown that dark chocolate is a top pick for boosting collagen and supporting natural repair systems. It is packed with flavonols and proanthocyanidins, which are compounds that help your body generate new stem cells, lower systemic inflammation, and protect your DNA from environmental damage. This leads to healthier skin, stronger joints, and a significantly better chance of staying mobile and independent as the years go by. To get the most benefit, you should seek out the darkest chocolate available, ideally between 70 and 85% cacao or higher, with very little added sugar. A single origin label is often a good indicator of purity. You can turn this into a functional snack by melting about an ounce of dark chocolate and stirring in roasted almonds and dried goji berries. The almonds provide the essential amino acids required for collagen production, while the goji berries offer a boost of vitamin C, which is the necessary catalyst for your body to actually use those nutrients. This indulgent treat works quietly behind the scenes to protect your joints and ease the discomfort that often comes with age. In addition to chocolate, gelatin is an often overlooked hero for joint and nerve health. While many associate gelatin with simple desserts, it is actually collagen that has been broken down into a form that the body can absorb and utilize almost immediately. It is concentrated with key amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact building blocks needed to create fresh collagen and repair worn-down tissues. Scientific studies have demonstrated that individuals who incorporate gelatin into their routine can experience a significant reduction in joint pain, sometimes by as much as 37%. This is the kind of difference that makes standing, walking, and climbing stairs feel manageable again. Creating a healing snack from gelatin is straightforward. You can use unsweetened juices like cherry or pomegranate, which are high in antioxidants, and warm them gently without reaching a boil. By stirring in plain powdered gelatin until it dissolves and adding fresh berries or chopped nuts, you create a soft, easy-to-chew treat that supports your joints and eases stiffness. For anyone over 60 dealing with achy knees or that slow, nagging weakness in the legs, these gelatin nibbles can be a transformative addition to a daily routine. Another powerhouse for collagen support is chicken bone broth. This is more than just a comforting soup. It is one of the most effective natural remedies for stiff joints and tingling extremities. When chicken bones are simmered slowly for several hours, the collagen within them breaks down into a bioavailable form that the body can soak up with ease. This broth is rich in glycine and proline, which play a massive role in rebuilding connective tissue and helping nerves heal. Making this at home is a simple act of resourcefulness. By saving leftover bones and simmering them with water, a splash of vinegar, and vegetables like onions, celery, and carrots for about 8 hours, you create a potent collagen booster. Once cooled, the broth turns into a soft gel, which can be scooped out, warmed, and enjoyed with a bit of lemon juice and parsley. Even half a cup a day can help your joints feel smoother and reduce the creaky, cracking sensations that often accompany movement. If you have been struggling with pins and needles in your hands, the nutrients in this broth provide the structural support your body needs to repair the tissues that control sensation and movement. While proteins and fats are important, the role of vitamin C cannot be overstated. Without sufficient vitamin C, the body simply cannot synthesize collagen, regardless of how much protein you consume. This is why fruits like cantaloupe are so beneficial. Cantaloupe is packed with vitamin C, with just 1 cup providing nearly 2/3 of the daily requirement. This kickstarts the collagen-making process, which can directly address the tight, achy feelings in the hips, knees, and fingers. A refreshing way to enjoy this is by cubing the melon and tossing it with fresh lime juice and mint. Adding a sprinkle of chopped pistachios provides healthy fats and fiber, which help calm inflammation. This combination hydrates the body while providing the chemical spark necessary for tissue repair. For those who feel they have lost the pep in their step, a simple dish of cantaloupe can be the first step toward feeling lighter and more energized. The humble tomato is another kitchen staple that offers surprising benefits for collagen preservation. Tomatoes are unique because they contain both vitamin C and a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. While vitamin C helps build new collagen, lycopene acts as a shield, protecting the collagen you already have from breaking down. Interestingly, when tomatoes are slightly warmed or paired with healthy fats, the body absorbs even more lycopene. A simple caprese-style snack, layering tomato slices with mozzarella or avocado and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, creates a repair kit for your tissues. The olive oil helps the body absorb the fat-soluble antioxidants, while the basil supports digestion. Making this a regular habit can result in less joint soreness and improved skin elasticity, providing a sense of internal support that helps you move with more comfort and ease. If you are looking for the absolute densest source of vitamin C to fuel collagen production, guava is the undisputed leader. A small serving of guava contains several times more vitamin C than an orange. This is critical because a deficiency in this vitamin often manifests as dull aches in the knees or a loss of strength in the legs. By pairing guava with a protein source like Greek yogurt, you create a complete nutritional package. The yogurt provides the amino acids, and the guava provides the catalyst for those acids to turn into collagen. Adding a drizzle of honey and some walnuts creates a snack that fights inflammation and repairs tissue while remaining very gentle on the digestive system. It is a consistent, simple way to ensure your body has exactly what it needs to stay flexible for the long run. Similarly, the kiwi is a small fruit with a massive impact on nerve health and circulation. Eating just 2 or 3 kiwis a day can flood your system with the nutrients required to keep your nerves healthy and your joints strong. This can be particularly helpful for easing that frustrating tingling in the hands. Slicing a kiwi and topping it with toasted almonds or a pinch of sea salt creates a snack that supports digestion and immune function simultaneously. As we age, our bodies require this extra layer of support to maintain smooth nerve function. Making a habit of these small, nutrient-dense fruits ensures that you are not just surviving, but thriving, with more energy to dedicate to the activities you love. Finally, we must look at the unique benefits of pineapple. Pineapple contains a specific enzyme called bromelain, which is renowned for its ability to fight deep-seated inflammation. Since inflammation is often the primary driver of joint stiffness and nerve pain, bromelain is an essential ally for anyone over 60. When combined with the natural vitamin C found in the fruit, it creates a powerful synergy for effective tissue repair. Mixing pineapple chunks with macadamia nuts or cashews adds healthy fats and protein to the mix, providing the body with the sustained energy it needs to rebuild. A dash of cinnamon can further help balance blood sugar and calm the system. These snacks, from dark chocolate to pineapple, represent a holistic approach to aging, one that prioritizes the glue of the body to ensure that tingling hands and weak legs become a thing of the past. By choosing these snacks, you are choosing to move better, feel better, and live better. Please subscribe for more health insights, and which advice will you start applying today?